Yeah, man, right now, this is going on island bamboo, yeah, brother. So, me I say, this is going on right now. I make like bamboo. Bamboo set away.
My heart goes out to the people of Southeast City.
Just to see the extent of the devastation, and honestly, it's very hard to comprehend. It's very hard to explain. You really just have to see it. I know there's been a lot of suffering. A lot of houses have been damaged. Bars, schools, churches, a lot of electricity poles, a lot of downed trees. I'm right across the constituency from Top Flaggerman all the way going through Bacon, Newcomb Valley, Billy's Bay, Great Bay, coming through Newell, Short Hill, Bethany, all the way through Barbary Hall, going to Mountainside, Round Hill, Black River, and all the way over the bridge to Shrewsbury and parts of Middle Quarters. So I know the damage is extensive. Thankfully, the PM answered the call at the first ring and came here on the first day to see some of our damage. Clearly, he couldn't tour all of the constituency, but he was able to get a good enough picture so that we can craft an approach.
God.